So this color is amazing.
Oh yeah.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Nice Easter eggs. Huh?
Yeah, it would.
Mm-hmm.
Do you make your own dyes for eggs?
Messed
We
around a
haven't,
little
no.
bit. But,
Onion peel, red onion peel. We've
yeah.
never done it.
It's been a while. The kids have been growing up.
I think they often use hibiscus flowers for like icing or something for a cake.
Mm.
I used to make a syrup like to use for pancakes.
Oh, that would be good.
Yeah. It's really
So now you're doing it as much as is in there, correct?
So yeah, I'm like
Eyeballing.
Yep. I'm gonna add honey. Now this is raw.
Raw organic honey.
Sorry.
You always use raw organic honey.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Cool. Yeah. If you want to give me your dish, why do you guys have some of this?
This is good. You have to have
I'm
these.
gonna have to do these.
It would be really cool. I just had an idea. Like make a whole bunch of different ones. Like have them
Bring them in.
bottled and take pictures.
Yes.
Like
That'd be
all the
pretty.
colors.
I just have to know what to do with them all. So make sure I know.
Salads, drink.
Yeah, just drink them for,
Put them in
like
food.
you said.
Is it too sour?
That's strong.
Cheers.
Never.
Hibiscus is very citrusy, astringent. So
It tastes good.
That's different. Got a little bite.
yeah, sort of like
That would
red
be good on a
beans.
salad,
I think it would. Yeah, I think
That would be
this
great on a salad.
wouldn't it?
I do, yeah, with like the olive oil you're talking about.
Yeah.
I like that.
So I'm gonna do one more with the chamomile.
Maybe just drink them.
What would be the benefits of this one?
So hibiscus is really rich in vitamin C. Usually it is an herb that you add to tea blends
Right.
to stave away colds.
Yeah.
Strengthens capillary walls because vitamin C is good for the circulatory system. I think it's high in rutin, which is important for the circulatory system. Doctrine of signatures. When you have a plant and it has it resembles body parts or color, like you observe what it looks like and the color, then you can get an idea of what it's good for in the body. So
Red blood.
red blood. Yeah, like red beads. But
Makes sense.
yeah, so tonic would be good daily tonic remedy. So I'm going to, I think I'm gonna